Today's edition of What Front Clip Do We Have is a 2024 RAV4. This is brought to you by Jared at WeberBrothers. This is an example video showing potential customers of future front clips. This one is already sold, but we will have others in stock. I can almost guarantee it. This is a 2024 RAV4. This is in the pickup stage, meaning the customer is driving here to physically pick it up with a flatbed or trailer. We will not put them in the bed of a truck. They don't fit in the back of box fans. These things are huge. This thing weighs about 1,200 pounds and about 90 inches wide. So as you can see, hood, fenders, grille, headlights, bumper cover. There is no dash. There's no subframe. No training, of course. Get you under the hood here and show you what we got. So all fronts are prepped and sold the same way. It includes the radiation, so rad condenser fans. Our guys do disconnect the hoses. We don't cut. Same with the AC lines. We save the AC lines for you. Wiring harness, same situation. We don't cut it. You get the overflow bottle. You get the washer bottle, which is in that bag of goodies, which also includes the air filter housing. Motor mounts sometimes come along, sometimes they don't. That's not promised. Fuse box, as long as it's up front, is included, as well as battery tray. Tons and tons of parts come with the front clip. It's a great way to rebuild a vehicle if you need a front section. Again, this is in the pickup stage. If we're shipping it, it has to go by freight. Entirely different setup. Very costly, very expensive. It all depends on where you are. Contact me for a quote on shipping, but it shows up looking like a small shed. It's massive. So if you have any questions, let me know. 800-222-2528. My direct extension's 112. You can find me on any of the social media sites. Just look up Jared Weber Bros and you'll find me. Thanks for watching.